Hello children, how are you? Children, today's our lesson is Find the Way or Directions. In previous class, we have learnt about 4 directions and 4 corners. What are those children? Yes, east, west, north and south directions. Northeast, northwest, southwest and southeast corners. Children, you will achieve the following learning outcomes from this lesson. You will try to draw maps on papers with matchsticks. You will find the directions of your villages and mandal. You will identify the directions of things given in maps. How to draw maps? One day, teacher showed some maps in the class. On seeing them, Kasturi asked, "How are the maps drawn, ma'am?" Maps ela draw cheyali? Ela chesaru? How is it possible to show vast places on a small paper? Vast places అంటే చాలా పెద్దవిగా దూరంగా ఉండే ప్లేసెస్ని మన పేపర్ పైన చిన్న పేపర్ పైన ఎలా చూపించగలుగుతున్నాం? Asked Ramya. To know that, let's draw the map of our classroom, said teacher. Here, these children are going to draw a map of their classroom. Let us see. First, they are taking the measurements of the classroom. They took a meter scale. Here, 1 meter scale is equal to 1 matchstick. So, these children took 1 meter scale and started their measurement. First, they measured north wall. North wall is 3 meters. Here, these children arranged 3 matchsticks. Then, these children measured east wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, approximately 8. Here, these children are keeping 8 matchsticks here. Then they measured south wall and west wall. Here, these children are keeping matchsticks according to the length. Like this, we can draw large areas on a small paper showing directions and scale. We can take, instead of meter, we can take it as centimeter to draw map. Village. We have learnt about directions and corners. We can identify what are there in different directions and corners of a village or an area. Thus, its location can be identified. మనకి కార్నర్స్ తెలుసు, డైరెక్షన్స్ తెలుసు, కాబట్టి మనం లొకేషన్ని ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. అది విలేజ్ కానీ ఒక ఏరియా కానీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ప్లేసెస్ దట్ లిమిట్ ద విలేజ్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ డైరెక్షన్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ బౌండరీస్ ఆఫ్ ద విలేజ్. మరి ఒక విలేజ్కి 4 డైరెక్షన్స్లో 4 కార్నర్స్లో ఉండే ప్లేసెస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటిని బౌండరీస్ అని అనవచ్చు. Directions and corners help in identifying where the roads, buildings, school, post office, bus stand, fields and lakes are in the village. These directions and corners help to find out the roads, buildings, schools, etc. Similarly, if you know the directions and corners, you can identify any place or reach anybody's house. Yes, if you know the directions or corners, you can identify any place, any new place, or you can reach anybody's house. అంటే మనకి డైరెక్షన్స్ కార్నర్స్ తెలిస్తే ఏ కొత్త ఇల్లు అయినా కూడా మనము ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు అన్నమాట. Here we can observe map of a village. What do you see here, children? Here 4 directions are given. Here east, west, north and south. Here some symbols are given. Here Pakka house symbol, hut, well, fields, hills, for school S symbol, temple, dispensary, post office, lake. Children, you observe this picture in your textbook, page number 65, and here some questions are given. You discuss these in groups and answer them. Here you observe this village picture. What is there in the north direction? Yes, school. To the south is, what are there in the south direction? Dispensary. Dispensary means like medical shop. To the east is, yes, what are there? What are there to the east side of the village? Fields, polalu. To the west is temple. To the northeast corner, what is there in the northeast corner? You observe the picture and answer, children. Lake. To the southeast corner, we can observe hills, mountains. To the southwest corner, yes, we can see post office. To the northwest corner, yes, we can see well. Okay, children, these are the things which we can see in 4 directions and 4 corners of this village. Next one is mandal. What is mandal? A group of villages constitute a mandal. A group of villages is called a mandal. Population of a mandal is around a few thousands. In village means population will be in hundreds. All villages together we are calling as a mandal. Here in one mandal population is around a few thousands. In every mandal there are offices of Mandal Praja Parishad, Tehsildar office or MRO office, Department of Agriculture and Electricity, and also a primary health center and a police station. Yes, in every mandal we can see these offices. What are those? Yes, Mandal Praja Parishad office, MPP office, MRO office, Agriculture and Electricity office, primary health center PHC and a police station. People of all villages visit the mandal headquarters regularly for various works. Yes, here in mandal all offices are situated. So people of all the villages visit the mandal for their works. మరి వాళ్ళకి వర్క్స్ ఉంటే ఎక్కడికి వస్తారు? మండల్ హెడ్ క్వార్టర్కి వస్తారు. వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ మండల్, చిల్డ్రన్? హౌ మెనీ విలేజెస్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఇట్? లెట్ us see map of a mandal. Manchiryal district has 18 mandals. Here Manchiryal district has 18 mandals. Here look at the map given here. This is the map of Laksettipet mandal of Manchiryal district. Here this is the map of Laksettipet mandal. What are the villages here? We can see how many villages are there here, children? Yes, we can see many villages in Laksettipet mandal, isn't it? Here తాళమల్ల, చల్లంపేట్, దౌడేపల్లె, రంగాపేట్, బాలరావుపేట్, తిమ్మాపూర్, లింగాపూర్, లక్ష్మీపూర్, పోతేపల్లె, ఇట్క్యాల్, ఉట్కూర్, కొత్తూర్, వెంకట్రావుపేట్, ఎల్లారం. Like this, so many villages together made Lakshetippet Mandal. Okay, children, you observe this picture and here some questions are given in your textbook. You discuss these questions with your friends and answer them. Name the villages situated on four sides of Rangapet. Yes. What are the villages on four sides of Rangapet? North side is Chellampet. South side is Jenda Venkatapur. East side is Balraupet. West side is Chandra village. These are the villages situated on four sides of Rangapet. Next one. Which side of Utkuru village is Lakshetippet Mandal is situated? మరి ఉట్కూర్ విలేజ్కి ఏ సైడ్లో లక్సెట్టిపేట్ మండల్ అనేది ఉంది? ఎస్, లక్సెట్టిపేట్ మండల్ ఈజ్ సిట్యుయేటెడ్ టు ద సౌత్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ఉట్కూర్ విలేజ్. Which village is situated to the south of Timmapur? Observe this mandal picture and answer, children. Yes, Lingapur is situated to the south of Timmapur. Name the villages situated on the banks of river Godavari. మరి గోదావరి ఒడ్డున ఉన్న విలేజెస్ ఏంటి? మోదల, లక్సెట్టిపేట్, ఇట్క్యాల్, పోతేపల్లె, గుల్లకోట, మిట్టపల్లి. These are the villages situated on the bank of Godavari river. Which direction of Godavari are they? They are in north directions to Godavari river. Mention the direction of flow of the river Godavari. Yes, Godavari ఏ డైరెక్షన్ నుంచి ఏ డైరెక్షన్ కి ఫ్లో అవుతుంది? Yes, from north direction to south direction. Which side of Timmapur is the village Jenda Venkatapur is situated? మరి తిమ్మాపూర్ కి జెండా వెంకటాపూర్ అనేది ఏ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉంది? ఎస్, నార్త్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ తిమ్మాపూర్. జెండా వెంకటాపూర్ is situated to the north side of Timmapur. Which side of Lakshetippet Mandal is the river Godavari situated? South side of Lakshetippet Mandal, Godavari river is situated. Okay, children, with this our session is completed. In next session, we will learn about district and state maps. Children, here is a homework for you. You answer these questions and show it to your teacher. What is a mandal? Second one, name some offices situated in your mandal. Third one, what are the boundaries of your village? Fourth one, measure your classroom and draw map on a paper. Okay, children, shall we meet in next class? Thank you.